Guys, welcome back. Bill boozed it. Pickle sucker punched me. I don't know if you can see that, but it hurts a little. Oh yeah, you'll be able to see that. I can feel it. Today's project, I'm gonna be putting a gooseneck hitch in the pickup. Already opened it all up. Last time I changed tires, it was on the F100, and I did not break them loose first, so it was a real pain. This one's different. These have a lot of torque. So we're going to break them loose first. I'm going to jack this guy up. Tires are. If I had to guess, I'd say they're probably about 125 pounds a piece. Maybe more. Oh, Should keep her up off the ground. I don't recommend letting the truck down without or from underneath it, but this truck is plenty tall enough for me to be under even without the jack. So, and yeah. So, in case you didn't know, this is why I love working on lifted trucks. Because I really have all the room I could ask for. Ever. When your brake lines suck, apparently. Yeah. Alright, rip the wheels off, wheels and tires, and figure out how the hell this thing's gonna go on here. So, turns out bed rail's a little smashed in. Or rather, the bed over the frame is smashed in, so I'm going to cut the bed out rather than messing around with it. We'll see how that works. Alright guys, welcome back. It's Sunday. So I got set up to fail a little bit. They sent me the wrong nope drill kit. That sucks. But we'll get it figured out. So I actually had to go to the store and I bought a drill and some drill bits that are hard enough. If you don't know, the frame on a pickup was like the hardest thing ever. It's impossible to drill through. Not impossible, it was pain. But you just go slow, use a lot of cutting oil. I used 4 different size drill bits on every hole. I had to drill 4 holes. So that's a crap ton. I broke like every 1/4 inch drill bit. There's just drill bit graveyard just laying everywhere. But I got it done. So I got the drilled in brackets. I don't know if you can see them. But I gotta climb up in the bed, throw some bolts on it, and then line everything up. From here it's 2 more bolts. Actually, I guess it's 6 more. Keep forgetting about these. Which I don't really know what size these are, because they're square. But, so yeah, that's pretty fun. You can see my drill bits are dwindling. I've got a whole other set over there that's just basically gone. It's fun. Good stuff. I'll have this together here today. Have to. Gotta work tomorrow. There it is. I still gotta put the locking bolts on the bottom to keep it in place left and right, but got the brackets in. Got all the bolts are torqued down to 100 foot-pounds is what the book says. With my handy dandy torque wrench. 100 foot-pounds, really not that much torque actually. So it's a turnover ball. I wanted to try to keep my bed usable, but it was dented in so bad there that I actually had to cut the floor out. Cut the bed out around it. What I think I'm gonna do is this truck's gonna get a flatbed. It's gonna get a flatbed actually, so as you can tell it's humid out. I'm sweating my freaking arse off. I know, long sleeve shirt, humid. Well, it's actually not too hot out. think I'll probably go for a ride later on the bike. It's a pretty nice day. Got 4 more bolts put in. They're these goofy square bolts, so I just found the socket that fits the best. And then they got not lock washers, but I think they call them like crush washers or whatever. So you bolt, screw this. I don't have any light under there, so you're not gonna be able to see. But you screw this up into the bottom until it presses up against there, and you give her a good torque, and then you slam that in. Screw this one backwards so that it holds against the bar on the bottom, so it stays in. Can't forget to put this back. So these 4, and then put the back tires back on, and I guess I've got a gooseneck hitch. So if that plate would have worked, this wouldn't have taken near as long. It took me 3 hours to drill holes. I mean, it's seriously, the frame on this truck is hard. But I did get a real nice swap through out of it. So, you know, take it or leave it. Doing stuff yourself can be a real pain in the ass, but I think it's worth it. I mean, you know, it's just something else I can know how to do now. I guess. Not real hard, but a learning experience. Big part is you got to make sure it's nice and even dead center of the truck. And how I did that was just measured from bracket to bracket, and then it was 36.5 inches, and then you just take half of it. Make sure that there's actually a line on the hitch for dead center. So just make sure it lines up. Tighten her down. Put these guys in. Get the truck out of the garage. Get the F100 back in here. I don't know. Maybe that's all. Might be all I got for today. Maybe I might hook up a camera on the bike. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, just build it, boost it. This isn't really anything too exciting, but doing something. So for now, thanks. Welcome back, build it, boost it. So I got my hitch in. Cut a big old chunk out of the bed. So the bed was like smashed in, probably from the previous owner. It looked like they had a set of rails in here for like a 5th wheel, and that smashed the crap out of everything. So I got the hitch put in here. She's tight. When I go to put, I'm probably just gonna put a flatbed on this truck eventually, so I'm really not gonna worry about it. I might take and weld in some pieces just so my stuff doesn't all fall out, or maybe I'll just won't put any stuff in the bed. But here it is. So it is a Cody hitch. It's fairly simple. You gotta drill 4 holes, 1/2-inch holes, 2 on each side. I measured off the bump stock to kind of center it. And drilled my holes. The holes took me like 4 hours to drill. I ended up going through probably, like I said, like 10 drill bits. You gotta step it up from 1/4 up to 1/2 inch. And basically I've got a set over there, and I just used every drill bit going up. It was the easiest way to do it. And a ton of cutting oil. Like I said, I burnt up a drill. I ended up having to I went and bought a new DeWalt corded 1/2-inch drill. And that got the job done. But yeah, so that's kind of exciting. Well, I actually would like to do a walkthrough on the bike. Not the Kawasaki, unfortunately. Kawasaki's still waiting for parts, waiting for some funds. So I bought a bike cover because the damn garage cat gets on my motorcycle, and I'm not a fan of that. So here it is. So this is my 2015 Roadglide Special. Not brand new, but new to me. It's blue. Let's see if Imperial? I don't know. The guy told me it's a custom only blue. It's only on the customs, and you have to order it. It's really sleek. It's got metal flake in the paint. She's really dusty right now and polleny. But I'm gonna go wash it, take it for a ride. I'm gonna go grab some lunch, but I'll show her off real quick. So it's got the Rushmore kit. I'll turn the radio down here. It's usually blaring. So it's got the touch jamming out, of course. So it's got 18,000 miles on her. I put probably 8,000 on it. So it's got the touch screen. I mean, it sounds good. Neutral.